Hi everyone, so today we are exploring another longest night market in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. So it's called Taman Connaught, and this Taman Connaught actually open only on Wednesday, so only once a week. So let's see how it is, because it says that 700 stalls in this area.
This is the beginning of the market anyways. The street is for approximately 2 kilometers long, going from one end to another, and there are about 700 stalls. So this that, what is this?
Oh, that's chicken feet.
Okay, let's get more. There are drinks, desserts, ice creams, like this one here, and many stuff. So today will be all about the huge night market in Kuala Lumpur. Only once a week, literally only once a week at Wednesday night is here, and they're selling here the pomegranates for 3 pieces for 20 ringgits, like this one, for example, and you can have a fresh juice as well. Over here they have one of my favorite foods here.
5 pieces. Yes.
We can have 5 pieces of gyoza for 6 ringgits, like this one, fresh from this lovely lady here. This is one of my favorite foods on the market, like this. I'm always eating
You want to
gyoza.
have 5 or 10?
5 pieces. We're gonna try
pieces.
many other things.
Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
No. You don't want a chili?
No.
We are vinegar a little bit.
Okay, but no,
Okay.
no sambal, too spicy.
Oh, first of all, we bought gyoza for 6 ringgit. Let's try.
Let's try some. First gyoza for 6 ringgit. You can calculate, guys, by yourself. I don't know how much is it actually in dollars, but not so much. Nice? Very nice. Okay, let's go. It's hard to eat film and all of this stuff at the same time, guys.
So I want to try ice mata kucing.
For 250 rings,
the cat's
huh?
eye.
What
Yeah.
is it? Mata kucing.
I'm
like
not
this
sure. What is it inside?
Mata kucing. Something like this.
Nice.
It's trying to show us what is inside actually.
Oh,
Like
like a lychee, yeah?
this. Okay, let's go.
Yeah. So this ice mata kucing, I will try it. This is the first time I tried this one. Sweet and fresh.
But how it tastes?
Sweet and fresh, because there is a lychee here.
Oh, okay, so it's
That's
like a
only
lychee
special.
flavor?
Only special in Malaysia.
Okay, let's go
So
next. Me and Mai, check this out. The crowds over here, and there is so far as you cannot see the end. Well, 2 kilometers. Wow, check this out. What is this one? Some sort of like omelette, burger, something like this one. Fried dumplings. Actually, pocket cake. You can also see so many kinds of any kind of satas here, like this one, and sausages and fresh stuff everywhere. Last time when I was here by myself in June, I wanted to make a 50 ringgit challenge, spend 50 ringgit for myself. I didn't make it. I make like a 35 or something like that. But now I'm with Winny, and let's see how we're gonna make it now today. But except the, food, you can buy also the panties and the bras. I don't know, any other clothes and other accessories like for the hairstyles and stuff like this one. So it's not only about the food, but well, mostly about the food. That's the main purpose. We can buy so many different things over here. Some of them, what I have no idea what is it, but this one looks again nice. But they are again dumplings. We just had a gyoza, so let's keep going. It's very busy. That's gonna tell you for sure.
So you will find so many cuisines from many different countries. Before we tried the Japanese cuisine, and behind me also the Japanese cuisine. And yeah, there are so many Malaysian, Indonesian, Korean.
Also, you can buy the juices and other, well, so many satais everywhere. So many potato, like chips, and this thingy over here, forgot the name. Strawberries, fruits, cakes, tiramisu from the, like this one. Actually, I don't know how much is it, but looks good. So many options here. Some gorengans here, like a fried chicken, a fried squid, kung fu fried chicken, many stuff. So this is all made by the small businesses, local businesses. They're making once a week selling here. I don't know where else they're selling, but yeah, This is currently like this fried oyster you can buy here. The guy is cooking like this one. Then they have some ready to eat something like in the containers. I mean, so much options. This lady is cooking something. I don't know actually what she's doing. Mango sticky rice you can buy here. Here we go. 10 ringgits per one portion. Like in Thailand. Hello, how are you? So much is going on, sayang, here, huh?
Yeah.
As you can see, Pasar Malam, Kuala Lumpur, and they're making some omelette here as well. Ladies making videos. So much is going on. Okay, we have to find something more to eat, Saya.
Oh, look at that. Why so many people are queuing?
I don't know. Let's have a look what they are cooking there. Oh, this is like, I don't know.
Wait, yeah.
So many deep fried things here, that's for sure, without any dabs, like these ones. Oyster omelets here again. You can buy the also prawns, crabs. Probably they can cook chili crab for you if you would like to. People enjoying it here, eating something. There's not so many places to sit, so many people eating while walking. There is like a, what is it? Crepes?
This
No.
one, apam balik.
Yeah, something like this one. Here they're selling the fried
Cempedak.
cempedak.
Oh, and also fried durian.
As well. Stuff like this ones. Here we go, guys. But everything, not everything, but many things are fried here. So yeah, not sure if it's healthy or not, but must be yummy. And also they having the coconuts here and sugar cane juice, everything. They having a professional camera, but making some professional productions here as well. And yeah, meanwhile keep going. It's busy here. That's without any doubts.
Okay, so this one is the salted egg sotong for the small one. Oh,
More and more juices here. Now is the passion fruit, lemons, otak, whatever it is, otak, but it's like this one, banana leaf, something inside. More oyster, the clams. They even have a fortune teller here, so you can come, pay, and they're gonna tell you if you're gonna be rich or not. I think I should do it. Sayang, I should go to the fortune teller. He gonna tell me if I'm rich or not tomorrow, huh?
huh?
Yeah?
You will be rich.
I hope so.
Hope you go rich.
I hope so. Okay.
Hey, wait. What is it?
What's that? Oh, fishes.
No, this one frog.
At the front they have a shark fin soup. I really want to have a look what is the shark fin. I mean, I can imagine what is it, but I want to see more detail. It's very, very busy, so it's very hard to film, to show you proper shots. I don't know where is the shark fin actually, there must be soup there only. Currently it's 9 o'clock as you can see on my watch, and the crowd is still so big. I mean, it's so busy here. Last time was busy, but now it's even busier than it was. At the front there is the stall with laksa, and I can see so many people actually enjoying laksa here. But you can find so many. Oh, this is the burger what I want to have right now. This is what I eat once, and I want to have one more time. Auntie actually, but she's doing that already probably full her life, and she's really expert with doing it. So she have like a bread, and she's having eggs boiling here and all of this stuff. I wanna have it. What flavors they have it, Saya?
What
Caviar,
flavor?
chicken, ham. Special burgers we took with ham, but they have a caviar and hot dogs and with many things. Alright, so that's how she's cooking. Oh, that's the ham. How much? 8 ringgit?
4 ringgit.
4 ringgit? You took one or two?
2.
Okay.
Is it my makan cantik already?
We're not sure if when we're gonna make it, but this one is nice. Something between.
Look, this one the egg burger, and she made it very nice. I will try. Oh, nice. Still hot.
Still hot, huh?
Oh, good.
Even my camera is fogging. That is hot. Yeah.
So good.
Look at the auntie, how she's cooking. She got experience with that, isn't it? So good. Okay, we're gonna eat somewhere at the back. It's very busy here, so you have to going back if you wanna eat peacefully, and they park their cars here. And the market is so big. Anyways, they're selling everything here what you only want to see. Now here they selling the, what is it called? Chicken cheese egg rolls. So they cooking like this one, so big one, and they selling like this one. Very interesting with the ham or hash brown, any option with sausage, cheese. But this uncle is cooking something dragon bird candy here. That's very interesting as well. And this one is something chestnut dessert, also very nice. Many stuff. And many fried stuff also here. But well, Japanese here, I think it's Japanese, no?
Yes, this one is Japanese.
Looks something cool. She have even pictures inside, very nice as well. Now next, something interesting is here is lamb. How they cooking? This one small, big, like this one, cool, and this one something here. I don't know, it's like a shawarma or just selling lamb, the meat. Also, you can find here the decorations for the Chinese New Year. Actually, very nice combination with bamboo and Chinese decorations. That's actually pretty interesting. Never saw like that before. This year is the rabbit year. I hope so. It's gonna be lucky for everyone, but it's cool. Also, something here. I don't know what sort of medicine is here.
Oh, that's Chinese medicine.
Very interesting. Very interesting.
Okay, so I'm still hungry. I want to buy one portion of kway teow. Can I have one? Yes.
Yeah, this is how the lady gonna cook it. So the lady gonna make kway teow with chicken, fried kway teow with chicken for Winny. This is how she's making with her mom, maybe. I could say like that. I think many of them, they are family businesses in general, and this is where we're gonna eat. And inside I'm gonna eat. Overall, it's a lot of things going on. It's a little bit hectic market here. You can find so much things, so much activity, so much options to eat. And this is a little bit of the progress of the cooking of the kway teow, exclusively for you, because the lady is cooking for us. Of course, sambal must to be, and other spices, stuff like that. Okay, let's see how it's gonna taste. We're gonna demonstrate. Diane, what are you doing?
Just blowing. This is my char kway teow.
Char kway teow.
Still hot.
Yeah? Many people also eating here. Also seems like tourists or expats. That is char kway teow cooked specially for you. How is this, eh?
So good, but still hot.
Now the uncle is selling something very interesting. Looks very, he really wanna sell his stuff. And you can buy the lemonade here with lychee if you want, the fresh lemonade, also for 5 ringgit by the way with the lychee. And well, many other stuffs. I mean, this market is a little bit like crazy because it's so big and so much is going on everywhere around and so many things you can buy. Like this one, for example, desserts. Cool thing in Malaysia is that if you are married with local in Malaysia, you can also sell in the markets like this one. When I'm married in Bali, I will be already deported for that.
Hey, last time somebody sold, burger in the Legian British guy, and then the next day he got reported.
But here, look, he's flipping the burgers. So cool. I mean, good luck to you, mate. Also buy some sweets, like little pies and the sponge cakes, and I don't know, some donuts and other stuff. Peanuts here, baked peanuts. Even vegetables at night market. I mean, so much is going on. Again, the fried stuff like this one, fried durian. Fried durians actually are here as well. And well, continuation of the market. And you can buy, like I said, bras and panties as well next to it. This is actually very interesting.
So I want to try the apam balik. In Indonesia, it's called terang bulan. Something like this, yes.
Check this out, like this one. One piece for 250. And that's the ready to buy products.
Oh,
Many
this
flavors.
one for the thin, crispy and thin.
Yeah, I mean, they have so many actually. I will try to show you a little bit around, like this ones, and the white ones, and other crispy ampom, balik, many stuff actually here.
This one, the crispy apam balik. Let's see.
Okay, now it's good to show. Okay. All right, demonstration. Let's go. Especially for me. 1, 2. So cool. Check this out. How she's doing that actually with the close up.
Wow.
So cool, huh? So cool. And
wow.
that one gone.
So quick.
So quick, huh? So cool stuff. Very cool.
Nice. Oh, she put butter.
Butter right now. Here we go. Check this out. What is this?
Peanut.
What's that?
coconut,
Coconut, shredded
Yes.
coconut, like this one.
corn.
Corn. Cool. Cool stuff. By the way, check this out, how quick she works, huh?
Yeah.
And more. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Happy New Year. Okay, let's go. You try sayang that one.
This one, I will try this one because this one's so crispy.
How it stays? Is it nice?
Quick, crispy, yummy.
Okay, let's go next.
Recommended. Yummy.
This is very interesting place. It's very busy and they have a nice sitting area and they have some sort of soups here with noodles. Everything is in language what I don't understand, so I cannot tell you what is it actually, but looks actually pretty nice and tempting. And this is how they are cooking. Yo, what's up? Of course, durians must be. Market without durians will be not good, but here they have it for 22 ringgits, 13 ringgits, like this one. So busy actually, it's very hard to make a good shot for you to show you, but I'm trying my best. That's the durian style.
Can I have my durian here?
You can do whatever you like today, Sayang. Happy New Year.
But you have to eat with me.
No way, no chance. No
Okay,
chance.
next time I need to have a durian eater buddy then.
Okay. You can let me know in the comments if you would like to eat durian with Winny. Also, this lady is cooking something interesting here. Something very interesting is here with they have like a pan with the fan. So many fans here. This is like a potato looks like with the eggs and something. Rice cake, but I'm not sure. So many other dry chips, crepes and any other stuffs like this one. They have the crepe section with the guy wearing the hat, and I have a little like a party mode here. Party mode crepes. So cool actually. Very interesting concept. If you walk on the back alleys, I mean all the cars and stalls are on the middle, but on the side street actually, people are eating everywhere. And they, normally you could drive here, but during this night, at Wednesday night, you cannot drive here. You just, if you park here, you're gonna stuck. But the people enjoying their time, they eating. Many young people actually on that market, I'm gonna tell you, that's for sure. And yeah, actually, you're getting from the street, from the side street, inside, like this one. And there are all the action actually here. So I just wanted to let you know how the market looks like. You can buy juices here again, and this guy is cooking something. So all the actions, all the crowd, all the market is actually here on the middle, on the small street. We also saw so many Chinese cuisines here, and also they have a Chinese decoration for Chinese New Year, obviously. Look at this, people eating on the street, just next to the public bank, just literally sitting next to the bank, But this street is changing totally for one night on the week, only Wednesdays night. Starting from around 6 o'clock p.m. and up to midnight basically. Last time when I was here it was finished at 10, but now I think they're closing up to midnight. So yeah, some people even park on the middle of the street because they stuck. So, or maybe in purpose, or maybe they stuck. But it's kind of busy, I gonna tell you. So much is going on, and you can find so many people from all around the world. And well, that's the generators. That's how they produce the electricity, obviously. And well, so much is going on in this market. Definitely worth to try. Just prepare, as there's so much people and so much walking around. Let's get ready for. Look at this guy, well, how energetic he's working, making some juice or something. And over to, so cool.
So now we just arrived to the end of the Taman Connaught street market. So yeah, it's already we walking for 2 kilometers, right? Because it's 2 kilometers long. So yeah, what I can say. Oh, this guy is so cute.
Oh yeah, what he's doing, selling the balloons.
Okay.
Entertainment.
Yeah, thanks guys for today and see you tomorrow.